first of all, champ, so how's your time off going?
Since the fight, I've had a little time off in New Zealand. After the fight, spend time with my daughter, partner, and family, and now here in Samoa. Because we commitments, but it's always nice to come back to Samoa. Just renewed my contract with Digicel, extend another year. My support my team. And it's always good to come here. They told me to look after us, spend time with family and friends. It's a short trip, but next trip will be longer.
Okay. Let's just go once more inside the fight. How can you just give a summary of the fight on your point of view?
Yeah, the fight. A summary for the fight was it was a good fight. You know, when you have two skillful fighters fighting each other, sometimes you don't land the punches you want to land. But when I fight him again, I can beat him. But I can't complain. I can't take it back. He's the better man on the day. But I know when I fight him again, if I adjust and change a few things, I'll bring the belts back.
What's going to be your next step from now? Like learning from the previous fight?
So the next step, we want to go back to camp. Like I don't care who I fight. The rematch with Joshua. So we're planning on fighting in July, August. If we don't care who we fight, so if we're going to have more in the top 5 and fight again at the end of the year, then fight again next year, then hopefully go more shot Joshua. But we're gonna adjust a few things, bring a few things into camp, take a few things out. But we know what we have to do. They still have a lot of time, but I want to make the most of it. I want to, every fight I have, I represent Samoa and New Zealand well, and make a few fear. But everyone shows their love and support, so it gives me extra drive. Forget about what happened and move on and work harder.
See, some people have been saying if you should change your coach, like just to progress more.
Yeah.
Any comments on it?
A lot of people say get rid of your promotional company, Duco. A lot of people say get rid of your coach and change coaches. But if you look at Joshua's fight with other fighters, they all had great coaches though, and they all got knocked out. But I'm not saying, there should be change and improvements, but you don't really rush to any judgments. We've done a great job and we can show that we're at the top level, but we just got to tweak a few things. So it may be we change some strategy, or maybe we bring in some input, or maybe we do this and that. We're just, as a team, discussing and making a great plan that everyone's happy with, and a plan that we can improve on. Because all we want to do is improve and be better, and represent our countries as best we can. So we're going to do everything we can to make that happen.
Looking to get back into the ring July, August start?
Looking to get back into the ring July, August, as fast as we can, with the top opponent. We don't want to fight anyone that's not in the top 5 or top 10 in the world. We want to fight, want to progress and fight the best, because we show that we can belong with the best. A Samoan boy belongs at the top of the sport of boxing, heavyweights. A lot of people have fought him and knocked out. We could show that we have a good Samoan chin that could take punches, but we will be busier next time. We will throw more punches, we'll chase them more, and we'll do more. Now that I look back and analyse the fight, there's a few things we can change, but I can't stay in the past. I have to move forward and adjust and change and improve.
Talking about the future, you just met Ato, our silver medalist from the Commonwealth. Any advice for future fighters?
Firstly, it's great to meet Ato. I'm a big fan of those who represent our country and do well. An awesome achievement he's been able to achieve to get silver for our country. I don't think we've had a boxing medal for Samoa for a while. So I'm thankful that he's able to come and represent our country and do us proud. My advice would be for him to keep training hard, keep focused, keep good people around you, because that's what you need in order to be successful. And so he's got a bright future. He's still young, he's tall, he's rangy, he's southpaw, he's got good skill. I think he'll represent our country well, and he can make it to the top. It's all up to him.
Okay, last question. Looking again into the future, any developments you're looking to start up here in country?
See, example, our country just got medals in weightlifting. We got a medal in boxing. We don't have the best facilities here, but in order to be the best, you have to move away from Samoa. As a fighter at the moment, I'm focusing on fighting. My goal, like I mentioned many times, is to take our best talent, not just boxers and not just weightlifters, but the best talent from Samoa or on this side of the world, and put them on the world stage. What they need is push, what they need is backing, what they need is advice. But we have the talent here. We have so much talent. So if I'm able to do that, I'll be very happy.
Thank you very much, Tim.